The bounty for gaming tycoon Atong Ang is being raised to 20 million pesos. Ang is wanted for kidnapping charges in connection with the disappearance of at least 34 Sabomeros between 2021 and 2022. In a press briefing on Thursday, February 12, Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla says the reward money will come from the confidential funds provided to the Philippine National Police and the Department of the Interior and Local Government.
We are increasing the bounty for Atong Ang to 20 million pesos for information leading to his arrest. Seryoso kami dito 20 million pesos information leading to his arrest. Kung tinatanong nyo kung saan nangagaling yan sa mga confidential funds provided to the PNP at saka sa DILG para sa mga ganong klaseng kaso.
Tingin niyo,
Walang walang GPP atos dito Totoong tao babayaran namin dito kung makita namin.
Whistleblower Julie Patadongan pointed to Ang as the mastermind behind the kidnappings, alleging that the Sabongeros were killed and their bodies were thrown into Taal Lake. Patadongan claimed Ang had fled to Cambodia long before a warrant for his arrest was issued, prompting Remulla to send a liaison officer to the country to verify his whereabouts. Over the weekend, the Cambodian government said Ang was not there. Remulla says they believe Ang is still in the Philippines.
We are studying it. We really believe andito pa siya sa Philippines. We have points of interest na sila General Tatis may alam kung nasaan. So the manhunt is going on. Kung pumatay ka ng 100 tao at may bilyon-bilyon kong pesong pera nakatago at kala mong hindi ka accountable sa batas, may darating rin yung araw mo. Darating rin yung araw mo. Kailangan harapin mo yung ginawa mong mali.
Ang's camp previously challenged the court order to arrest him, maintaining that the warrants were premature and legally questionable.